Hello, are you looking for a Collingwood condo? One that's been fully renovated so is move-in ready, a location where you can enjoy all that the town has to offer and be on the ski hills in minutes? This affordable home in Mapleview Court may be for you. I'm Andrew McKay of Remax by the Bay Brokerage and this is 600 10th Street, Collingwood. Here's how you'll enjoy the home. It's obvious, as soon as you walk through the front door, how meticulous the sellers have been with the quality of the renovations. No expense has been spared and it is really first class. The quartz countertops in the brand new high-end kitchen set the tone for the care that has been put into the whole home. The main floor, with its open plan kitchen, dining and living areas, is very, very modern and sharp. Sliding doors to the fully fenced backyard with no neighbours behind ensure a very light and bright ambience. New flooring is highlighted by the stylish baseboard mouldings. 3 bedrooms and a brand new bathroom on the second floor provide the flexibility for a full-time residence or weekend getaway and will suit a family, couples or those looking to downsize. First-time buyers have the opportunity to live in Collingwood. If you are looking to add value or space, the basement already has a 2-piece bathroom, again brand new, and will be easy to finish. Move-in ready is just one justifiable cliche, as is location, location, location. The Mapleview Court community has easy access to downtown, schools, public transit, trails, ski hills and Georgian Bay. Well, that's 600 10th Street here in Collingwood. If you know anybody that may be interested in this home, please do share the video. And if you'd like more details or to view it, do contact me. Cheers. Want to see more videos? Click here.